Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to manage permission profiles in DocuSign eSignature. This is essential for controlling what different users in your account can access and modify, ensuring your team has the right level of permissions for their roles. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to DocuSign.com. Once you're on the homepage, log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using an account with administrative access, as you'll need those permissions to manage profiles. After logging in, look at the top toolbar of your screen. You'll see an option labeled Admin. Click on it to access the administrative dashboard. This is where all the account management tools are housed, giving you control over users, settings, and permissions. Now, in the left sidebar of the admin panel, look for permission profiles and click on it. This section is where you can view all existing permission profiles and create new ones tailored to your organization's needs. If you want to create a new permission profile, navigate to Add Permission Profile and click it. This will open up a configuration page where you can customize the permissions for this profile. Start by typing a name for your permission profile in the designated field. Choose something descriptive that clearly identifies the role or department this profile is intended for. Next, scroll down to All Administration Capabilities. If you want users with this profile to have full administrative access, check the box beside this option. This grants comprehensive control over account settings and features. Alternatively, you can check the box beside Allow users to send envelopes if you only want to grant envelope sending permissions without full admin rights. This is useful for team members who need to send documents but don't require broader access. Now navigate to Templates. Below this heading, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it to select your preferred options, such as None, Create, or Share. This determines what users can do with templates in your account. You can also review the template management options available and check any boxes that apply to the permissions you want to grant. These options give you granular control over template usage. Next, move down to Address Book. Click the drop-down menu below it to select your option. You can choose from Use Personal Only, Use Shared Only, Use Personal and Shared, or Share. This controls how users access and manage contacts. Continue by navigating to Deliver Self-Signed Email Notifications By. Click the drop-down menu below this section and select whether you want notifications delivered by link or PDF. This setting affects how recipients receive signed documents. You can also check additional boxes if you want to enable features like Allow View and Manage Envelope or enable key term suggestion by document type. These options enhance functionality for users with this profile. Once you've configured all the settings to your satisfaction, click Add. Your new permission profile is now created and ready to be assigned to users. If you need to edit an existing permission profile, navigate to your preferred profile in the list. Right beside it, click Actions. From the drop-down menu, select your desired options such as Edit, Copy, Delete, or View Users. This allows you to modify profiles as your organizational needs change. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to manage permission profiles in DocuSign eSignature, giving you complete control over user access and capabilities. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.